Hello kings and queens, welcome back to Glam Queen DIY, and if this is your first time here, welcome. Now today's video is just a little bit different. Today I am going to be showing you the best top item that you must have for Christmas 2024. So if you want to be up to date and trendy as well, make sure you try out this item. Now you guys, I received this 360-degree rotating tree stand from Coolwufan. Now my package came like this. Now I'm going to also include Coolwufan's information down in that description box, their website link, and also they do sell on Amazon as well. Now you guys, if you've been following me, you do know that I do feature the pencil trees in my home, but this tree stand actually worked perfectly with my pencil trees. So we're just going to open up the box, take out the content to allow you to see what's in the box. It does come with the instructions and this little thank you how-to manual as well. Now you guys, don't forget, once again, I do have their information down in that description box. Make sure you do check them out for you some fabulous rotating tree stands. And this cardboard pamphlet here, you guys, does show you how to replace a fuse in your cord. And once again, this is that instruction manual. I'm going to tell you guys, these rotating tree stands are super duper trendy right now, but it does add an extreme elegance and luxe looks with your trees to see them rotating. So do make sure you check out those 360-degree rotating tree stands. I'm just pulling out my pieces. There are my 4 legs. It's gonna have the turning base plus what I call the adapter box. Now you guys, I will tell you once again, this was super easy to assemble and put together. Now when I do get it together, we'll give you a major tip up front. There is the green light on the bottom of this base here. When you are setting up your tree, make sure that light is positioned to the front or to the side, not as opposed to the back pointing towards your wall, because this is how that remote relays to that tree stand on whether it's going to power on or off or control the lights. Now another tip as well, you can hit that remote, which I just showed you the remote. It can turn that tree to the right or to the left. Once again, you will be amazed at how it elevates the look of your space with these rotating tree stands. They do come with 2 couplings for the size of your trees. It's like 0.25 and 1.15, but it just means a larger and a smaller base to hold that tree in place. Now here's that remote, you guys. The top button controls how the turning of the tree. That bottom button controls the lights. And you heard me right, you use that remote to control your lights as well. Now we're going to pull the plastic off of everything to get this rotating tree stand assembled. Now you guys, if you're following the channel or if this is your first time here, once again, welcome to the channel. I am Tammy, the host of the channel. Why don't you do me a favor and consider subscribing? Here on Glam Queen DIY, you get DIYs, a little bit of home decor. You guys, we are going to make a shift with the channel, because I'm going to just tell you, for as the full-scale DIYs, your girl is really not in love with all of the DIYs, because I am going through a transitional change, and with all of the things we do make here on the channel, to me it's like an overload. So I am trying to declutter and reorganize my whole entire life. So we're going to implement a little bit more home decor, but we're going to transition out the channel. Now, don't forget too, if you are not a part of our other branded channels, that is Her Home Is, that is a home decor and lifestyle channel. Sora Sky Home, which is a home decor and lifestyle channel. She's behind the scene. There's another, was a tablescape channel, but we switched it out to a home decor and lifestyle channel as well. One of the channels my sister will be taking over. But you guys, please make sure you do subscribe to all of our branded channels. All links are down in the description box, and you'll get a different flair on each and every channel. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for becoming part of the family. Now let's get back to what we're doing here with this 360-degree rotating tree stand. And as you can see, I was fumbling with the pieces because you know your girl sometimes don't like to read instructions. Reading instructions is last-ditch effort to get something right. But I was just looking at the couplings, and I did quickly find out how to actually set it up, and I did choose the right one. Now, if you are using any of these rotating tree stands, as you see what I'm doing here, you drop that bottom coupling in and use that top to twist it and lock it in tight. You're going to definitely need this to keep your tree balanced. You heard me correctly, you guys. And I'm showing you on the bottom, it has 3 spots where you can plug in your tree lights or different things that you do want to plug into your tree. So I'm showing you once again how to put that connector piece in. You see I dropped the long piece in, put the piece that locks down on the tree, put the tree in the slot. Then once it goes down, because you got to get that tree to drop all the way down, then it just locks right on in place. It's just that super easy and simple. Now for me to show you how this rotating tree stand works, I do need to fluff the tree so you can see it in its entirety, but we're going to plug it up first and let you see how it does rotate. Once again, you guys, this tree can rotate to either the right or to the left, your choice. They do give you an option with this rotating tree stand to which direction that tree is turning. So as you can see here, you see that slight turn. And I'm going to tell you, after I got the tree fluffed, I had some family members come over, and after it was turning, they actually loved this tree rotating. So they are waiting for this video right now to air, because I have about 5 family members that is already ready to purchase several of these. Now make sure you do purchase through my link. They will give you a discount. Once again, all of that information is down in the description. And as you can see, we have that tree set up, and you can see it is slowly rotating to your right. And I'm going to tell you, you're going to see probably about 4 of these rotating trees in my home for this Christmas season. Make sure that if you are trying to elevate your space or make your space look more luxe and give it a grander feel, make sure you do pick up some of these rotating tree stands. Once again, all of the information is down in that description box. Make sure you click on that so you can elevate the look of your space. Now, once again, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next upcoming video.